Thanks, Toms. So continuously improving our product is at the heart of all of our releases. And in Meerkat, we've introduced a number of new improvements and tweaks. These include optimizations to display areas for larger monitors, clearer menus to switch between team list and process views, and enhancements to our team members and distributor filtering options. So let's have a look at these in the application. So let's start here within distribution teams and our team list page. So throughout the app, we've made better use of the screen width on larger monitors to optimize what's shown. And here is one area, the team list page, where we've improved things. And you can see how nice and wide the screen is here. We've also made it easier to switch between the list and process views. So for all of you who haven't managed to navigate to our process view page, we've renamed it to assignment process. And here it is in all of its diagrammatic glory. We realized previously it may have been a little concealed, but now we've changed from a button to a tab. It's much easier to access. If we head into a team, we have a couple of changes here too. On the team members page, you now have the ability to view a team member's caps via the new caps column. So if I click onto Peter here, you can view his caps via the pop-up. Now, to increase flexibility around when you can distribute a record, for date time fields, these can now be compared to the current date time at processing. So allowing you to introduce a time delay into your distribution. Now you may want to do that where other systems such as enrichment tools need to complete their processing before assignment, and this is really easy to do. We can add another filter row here. So let's select create a date as an example. And if you want to introduce a 20-minute delay, it's really easy to do as shown. Okay, so those are some of the newest enhancements in our Meerkat. So let me finish off by highlighting some of the other improvements we've made in our latest release. So we've introduced a new API, which allows records to be classified at any time, not just at creation. And this API allows you to specify which classifier functions you want to use and can also be used within Salesforce flows. We've got new cap options for sticky assignments, which allows for the option to choose between assigning to the next team member or not assigning, if respecting caps, and unable to assign to the current sticky owner. Within our test and assignment simulator tools, we've made some optimizations, including an improved display of caps. There's an alert when a previous assignment would cause a prospective assignment to fail. And there's also an alert for when user exclusion filters would cause a prospective assignment to fail. We've increased the visibility of time zones. So where appropriate for the information on the page, the relevant time zone will be displayed. So here on the distribution console page, for example, on the right-hand side of the slide. And we've added a configuration option to specify how long the scheduler logs are retained. So previously this was fixed at 1 week. There is also a new option to consolidate assignment scheduler logs with 0 assignments into a single log, so reducing the data storage needed there. This is handy for testing DE in sandbox environments. We've renamed the team level waiting tab to waiting to avoid any confusion, as waiting is set at the team member level, but performed at a distributor level. And that brings us to the end of our new features and enhancements in Meerkat.